Hi everyone, today I want to unbox with you Cambridge by BelleTress. Not a new style, one of the newer styles, but it has been out for a while. But ever since it has come out, I wanted to try it. So it has been on my list for a long time, and I finally was able to purchase it. So literally just arrived. I just took it out of the parcel box, but I haven't peeked. So let's unpack it together. As usually, securely packaged with a net. But this way around, might as well go straight to the cap construction. So you have an extended lace front. You have a monopart, and this one is a center monopart. Fairly wide, about 2 fingers. Well, my 2 fingers anyway. So little bit of parting space, so you can part it off center if you wanted to, and then you have open wefts, sides and back, and then you have an extended velvet nape with Velcro adjusters, velvet covered ear tabs with metal stays in them, and a stretchy cap. So, this is so pretty. I like these. When I looked at Cambridge, I like that it has these barely there waves. This is right up my street. These are the kind of waves I wish I could have done when my hair was still there. But even with my human hair wigs, I never can get this kind of wavy look. And you can see it has layers at the top as well. So let me just shake it and let me put it on straight away. And I love this color. Raw Sugar Blondar is probably my favorite blonde by BelleTress. I think it just suits my skin tone. It's a warmer leaning color. And I will do a proper review, in-depth review of this piece with the color at some point. Right, let me pop it on. Straight away, I looked at the hairline. Wow. Right. Let me get my white tooth comb and let me take out that zigzag parting. Now I like mine slightly off center to the right. Wow, this is pretty. Little bit of flyaways, that's nothing unusual. Let me not play with it too much. And let's look at it from all sides. This is gorgeous. I like these face framing layers. It's kind of curtain bangs. They're just, I think, really flattering, especially when you have kind of a, I think I have quite a sharp face. So this softens it all. Look at it from the back. People ask me to show what it looks like when you part it. So for example, when the wind goes. Now obviously the wind will not blow directly like this, so you will have hair flowing all around. But let me just part it for you so you get an idea of what these wefts look like when they are parted. This is exactly what I hoped it would be. Right. So I showed you the part. I think that looks amazing. Don't forget I have dark hair underneath it. So if you have no hair underneath it, or if you were to put scar tape or something underneath it, or put makeup on it, that would open it up quite a bit. But when I do my proper review of this, I will show you what it looks like when I put my hand underneath it, so you will get a proper idea of what that looks like. But look at this hairline. Really, literally, it looks like it's growing out of my skin. And these barely their waves. This is just absolute perfection. So cute. And this color, just these, look how natural this is done. Oh, absolutely stunning. So tell me what you think of Cambridge. Tell me what you think of the color Raw Sugar Blonde R. And if you had it already, let me know how you got on. If there are any tips, any tricks that you have for anyone who's thinking of getting it. Look how this is so cute. Anyway, I get sidetracked. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at kwearswigs. And I will put the link to this piece down below where I bought it. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.